Now we shall start, children. Take out your classwork note. Get ready. We are going to write now. Some dictation words. You have to write neatly. Yes, good morning to all. We finished learning about the animals, wild animals, domestic animals. That is pet animals and farm animals together we call domestic animals because we give shelter to them. Okay, people make shed for them. Okay, and pet animals like kennels for the dogs. Okay, children. So, and you keep fish as pets in the aquarium. So, let us see what are the things we have to learn, because we won't be asking any questions what we are giving in the classwork note, all that. So you can write your own answer, but you must know the spellings correctly. Okay, children. Now let's see. Now let's see the words. These words, what I'm going to give, in between I may ask spelling test, dictation test. Okay, when I dictate, you have to write the spelling in your test note. And when I ask you the spelling, you have to tell on the spot at once. So you must know the spellings. When we give missing letters, dictation words, learn these words, all those things you have to learn the spellings. Now let's see what we are going to do. Now you can write heading the lesson number. Cyrus, tell me the lesson number. Animals are friends, lesson number.
Lesson number 12, ma'am.
Please write L12. You can have your textbook by your side. Don't write this now. Please write L12 from the margin. Write animals are friends. Look into your textbook and copy it. Keep your textbook by your side because I don't want you to copy everything from the screen. You learn to write from the textbook. From the textbook. L12. Animals are friends. Yes, you are big enough to take the book. Judah, all of you, Judah, turn up your mic, and Cyrus, turn up your mic. I don't know whether I'm seeing it on here. Please take out your textbook and write L12, animals are friends. Little more. Now, Tangareknam, did you write the heading? Sanjay Krishna, did you write the heading lesson 12? Okay, we'll go to the next one. Now, don't write classwork because this is for you to write from the screen. Write dictation words. After that, if you want leave one line, you can leave. Otherwise, write neatly, but you have to write neatly. Trajan, he wrote his test so well, neat handwriting. Hope he has improved, and handwriting was very, very neat. And some children, everything they copied, even the brackets, the questions. And a neat handwriting. So far, what I corrected, all neat handwriting. Very good children. Now, Prajan is not there, I think. Now, 1 to 6, that is jungles, wild, farms, domestic, flesh, health. I think 1 or 2 children can. You can write 1 to 6 words. Jemima, can you read the words? Jemima, can you read the words?
Jungles, wild, farms, domestic, flesh, healthy.
Health. Very good, Jemima. Now, I want Sharan Pranav. Are you there, Sharan? Sharan? No. No. Yes. No. Sharan Pranav, are you there? Sharan Pranav, are you there? No. Okay then. Now listen. Jonathan Paul, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read for me these words?
Jungle,
Yeah.
wild, farm,
Very good.
domestic, flesh, health.
Yes, very good. Now, by the time these children read, others must complete 1 to 6. Slowly, 1 to 6. Tion, Tion. Tion is not there. Punit Jain. Okay, Tion, please read all the 6 words. Others, please write soon.
Jungle,
Yeah.
wild, farm, domestic, flesh, health.
Very good. Now, Punit Jain is the last one to read. Punit, please read. Junkles. Punit. Not there. Okay. Now, Arush, read all the 6 words. Arush, wild,
Jungle, jungles, wild, farms, domestic, flesh,
health. Now, very good. Arush, did you write all the 6 words? No.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now, wait. Okay.
the 6th one, ma'am.
Very good. Please do it. By the time I'll see. I always tell who's that? Ritun to join from his ID. Ritun, try to join. I don't know. Somebody is trying to join from outside. Okay, Cyrus, have you completed? Show me your notebook. Let me see. Test you have written neatly. Let me see whether it's neat. Yeah, good. See all a dot and I and all I cannot see. Okay. So you have to see to it. Okay, good. Very good. Now listen, children. You can write all the F, D and all above that double rule line. Now I think I can go to the Alan. Did you write? Good, Cyrus. Did you write? Then I can go to the next one. Israelina, can I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Tangareknam is still writing. Wait. 1 minute. We'll just wait for her. All are very fast. By the time you check your spellings, children, I'm telling you, when you send the assignment, think. You read twice or thrice. There will be some mistake without your knowledge, because you will be fast in writing. You may leave one I or one L. So be careful, okay? Don't lose any mark. I'm waiting for Tangarekna because I can see her writing. John, did you write? Show me, John.
Thank you.
John is still writing. Children, by the time let them write, I will just read today's special class. Inian, Jaziel, Jake. This is group 3. Okay, Friday. Jaziel, Jake, Bobby, Jeshu, Johan, Jonathan, Judah, Kabir, Manu, Muhammad, Faizan. In 2A, Anandit, Archant, Ashwant, Cyrus, Ritik, John Matthew, Kevin, Kushagra, Lokesh, Mithilesh. Now, Rahil, Jane, who's the other one? One child wanted to join last week. He was telling he wants to join. Is it Naren or is it Sharan Pranav? Somebody wanted to join the special class daily. I mean, every week. Just tell me after this class, then only I can send the link. Okay. I think it's Sharan Pranav. Sharan, are you there? No. Okay. I think you can go to the next one. Tangareknam is very cool in writing. Then she'll have to go back to the recording and do it. Okay. Other children, everyone finish writing. Jungles, wild, farms, domestic, flesh, health. Now let's see the next one. Sweaters, warm, Scarves, all these plural, scarves, sweaters. Scarf is F, but change. Belts, farmers, load. Shelters, scavengers, vultures. You can write slowly, continuously. No place, go to the next page.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't write the last one.
Now I can't go back. You just leave that. I will show you later. I gave you enough and more time. I'll show you later. You just leave that 6 number and write 7 to 15 numbers. I will go back. Jeff, can you read 7 to 15?
Yes, ma'am. Sweaters, warm, scarves, belts, farmers, load, shelters, scavengers, vultures.
Very good. Niral, can you read Niral?
Sweaters, warm, scarves, belts, farmers, load,
Shelters,
scavengers.
vultures. Good. Present.
Ma'am, I want to see the 7th one.
See this, children. Who's this talking? Yes? You don't turn on your mic, children, in between. I will show you all the things after them writing 15. Don't be in a hurry. When you write neatly only, you can learn. Okay. Now, Sanjit, can you read 7 to 15 dictation words? Sanjit is not there. Okay. Joshika, Mary. Joshika. Joshika. No. Okay. Shama. Shama, can you read Shama?
Ma'am,
Read. Sweater.
sweaters, warm, scarves, belts,
Belts.
farmers, load, shelters,
Scavengers.
scavengers,
Mm.
vultures.
Okay. Now, all can write. I'll give you no talking in between. Write neatly. Write neatly. Write neatly.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. Now listen. 1 minute.
Finish, ma'am.
1 minute. See now. Children, okay, Cyrus, don't tell them all will be screaming, okay? We'll just wait. Good. Okay, Cyrus. Now let me ask some children. John. Okay, Cyrus, keep it down. Okay, just check all the spellings. Because you know all the spellings, you may make mistakes. Judah, good. See, I told you, no? Judah, showing. Listen, write today's date in the margin. That's very important. 29/1. Now, John, show me your notebook, John. After this, take a new page and get ready because that's general questions. I will give you 1 or 2 minutes for you to write the answers. If you're not writing, ma'am will write. But I'll give you time because you can write your own answers. Take a new page and write Roman number 2. John, can you show me your notebook? John. Where is Rahel?
early morning ഒരു 4-5 മണിക്കാ ready. ഞാൻ അവിടെ ഇടും കുഴപ്പമില്ല അങ്ങനെ
Listen, John, did you complete, John? I don't know. See, when I'm not. Okay, show me your notebook. Why your camera is not on? I want to see all my children. Okay, now. Yes, John. Good. Take a new page. Don't continue and write Roman number 2. Take a new page. Children, whenever you're free, don't wait for ma'am to tell. Learn the spellings. You can write in your home study and learn all the spellings. Write in your home study, learn all the spellings. Okay. Now let us see the next one. Now, write Roman number 2. Please write name any 2. Roman number 2. Listen to me carefully. After everything, leave one line. Name any 2. Leave a line. First question, pet animals. Leave 1 line. Then write 1, 2. Leave 1 line. Everything leave one line. B, domestic animals. I'll give you 2 minutes. You can write your own. C, wild animals. You have to leave one line. Name any 2. Pet animals. Leave a line. 1, 2. Leave a line. B, domestic animals. Listen carefully. Tridip, Cyrus. Leave one line after everything. Then only it will be nice. B, domestic animals. Leave a line. 1, 2. Leave a line. All the questions you write first. Slowly we'll write the answers. C, wild animals. Leave a line. 1, 2. D, things made from milk. Leave a line. I'm giving you enough time.
പിന്നെ ഈ വെള്ളത്തിൽ സോക്കെ ഒഴിക്കല്ലേ ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ ഈ മക്കളെ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ചെടി തിന്നാൻ പറ്റാത്ത ചെയ്യാറില്ലേ ഇന്ത്യയെങ്കിലും താഴേക്കാരെല്ലാം നോക്കി ആ പണം കൊടുത്താൽ കാക്ക അല്ല ആ ചെറിയ തറയില് ഇത്രയും തറയില് വെള്ളവും ഒരു കിട്ടിയെടുക്കും
Yes. Now, children, now, let me ask 1 minute. 1 minute, don't show. Now, Adonia, no, Akshara, can you tell me 2 names of pet animals? Akshara, tell me Akshara, pet animal.
Dog, ma'am. Cat, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, you can write your own, children. You can write your own. You can start with small letter, no problem. Now, next one is Misty. Tell me any 2 names of domestic animals. Domestic animals, Misty. Farm animals and pet animals together we call domestic animals. Tell me, Misty. Okay, I think they would have left. Sachin. Domestic animal, Sachin.
Ma'am. Elephant.
I don't want anybody telling finished and disturbing the class. I'm asking questions. You don't turn on your mic. Now I want Sachin to tell me. Domestic animals. Sachin.
Ma'am.
Tell I'm Sachin, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm Sachin, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, Sachin. Any
Elephant.
loud?
Elephant.
Elephant domestic, that's wild. Where people give shelters to them, one animal will give you milk. Tell me what is it? Tell. From where do we get milk? Which animal gives you milk to drink?
Cow.
Yeah, cow. Then one more. Tell me which animal or which bird will give you eggs.
Hen.
Okay, hen. I don't know whether I wrote a hen. Okay. Goat and cow. Both these animals will give you milk. You can write hen. Okay, domestic. You can write pig because we keep pig in a sty. We give shelter to them. Your answer will be different. But don't write wild animals. Cow, goat, hen, sheep. Okay. Duck. All that you can write. Now, Sanjeevan, can you tell me wild animals? They live in jungles. They live in their own homes like caves, den and all that. Sanjeevan? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Sanjeevan.
Sanjeevan, tell me. 2 wild animals. Name of 2 wild animals.
Elephant.
Yeah. Oh, then?
Camel.
Okay. Now listen. Listen. You can write your own. Tiger, horse, even horse. We will make them live in stables. We just make people make shelters. But wild animal. Okay. Horse. Now next. Tiger, lion, elephant, wolf. All this. Horse, don't confuse because somebody told me the answer I'm telling. But mostly we also have horses over here. It's not very harmful like other animals. Okay. Tiger, lion. Because nowadays we keep horses for, horse race we keep. Not we people. Okay, they will be. So they will be kept in stable. Okay, now wild animals, we cannot keep tiger in our house, lion. Elephant also will be kept sometime, but elephant comes under wild animals. Thank you. Who's that boy? Sanjeevan. Now I want Naren, are you there, Naren? Or Sharan Pranav? One of these children, I don't know who asked for the special class today and every day, I don't know who's that. I just want them to remind me. I don't know. Both of them are not there. Next one, Alan. Any two things made from milk. Anybody?
Yes,
No. Others can write any two things.
ma'am, curd and butter.
Okay, ghee, curd, or butter. Children, all these things you can write small letters, but neatly you're cursing. Ghee, curd, butter, all this paneer, all this you can make out of
And cheese.
cheese. See now, somebody is out of your turn means everybody will tell. Cyrus, keep your book down, Cyrus.
Can you tell me,
Today's special class, you bring your classwork note and the textbooks, all the subjects. Special class because ma'am will ask you, okay? Now, I will ask Cyrus to read all name any to what you have written. Others get ready. Cyrus, first one you read, first question.
Name any two pet animals, dog, cat, domestic animals, donkey, horse, wild animals, lion, tiger, pig, milk, butter, cheese.
Very good. Now I'm just seeing the children over here. Tridip, you read in order. I'm seeing them on the screen. Tridip, you read what you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Cat,
Good.
pet animals, cat, dog, domestic animals, cow, hen, wild animals, wolf, lion,
Good. Next.
things made from milk, butter and curd.
Very good. Children, you have to read like this. Everyone, see now how these children are reading. All others must learn. Cyrus, Tridip. Now, Jeff, you read. It should be clear. Okay. Ma'am will make you read. See, today's special class, you have to bring your classwork note, textbook. Now itself, I'm telling. By 11:20, I will send the link. Okay. You have to bring all this and be ready. I have to check all the notebooks. Suddenly, principal ma'am will ask me to collect all the notebooks and go to school. So you have to keep it ready. Okay. Nothing should be like, whenever we have class, that will be noted like classwork note. Everything is there in the recording. Okay, now next one is Jeff in the list. Jeff, read. Now
Yes,
first,
ma'am.
Cyrus, Tridip, Jeff. Come on. Next
Pet
up.
animals, cat, dog,
Good.
domestic animals, cow, goat, wild animals, tiger, lion, things made from milk, ghee, curd,
Okay. What is the first one? Things made from milk?
ghee, and
Not
curd.
ghee. G-H-E-E is ghee. Okay, good. Tangiraknam, you read. Actuan, she left. Tangiraknam, please read. Now listen, I know something. I will call principal ma'am, okay? I got ma'am's number. I will tell ma'am I can't find some children. Ma'am will come at once. Okay. Tangiraknam, read what you have written. Good girl. She's screaming and coming now. Come on. Akshara, don't do actions now. Tangiraknam, read. 1 minute. Not from the screen. What you have written in your notebook. Look in your classwork notebook and read. Good girl. Read. I'm not asking you to show. Read. Read from your notebook. That means you were not listening. Read. First one.
Pet animals,
Hmm.
one cat, two hen.
1 minute. Don't read one cat, two dog. Only names you read. Second one. Tangareknam, wait. Listen to other children, Tangareknam, please. You're going on making mistake. Now, Akshara, read. After that, Tangareknam will have to read. Okay. I want. Sujin has come. Sujin, read. Sujin. Tangareknam, I'm going to give you nice punishment. because you're not listening.
Animals, cat, turtle,
Good.
domestic animals,
Turtle.
horse, bull, wild animals, panther, wolf,
Very good.
things made from milk, curd, cheese.
Now I want Tangareknam to read. I don't want to leave her like that. Come on, good girl. Read Tangaratnam from your class. Did you write? Not able to read. Pet animals. Tell the names. Ma'am will read the. Tangaratnam, what's wrong with you? Every day I'm leaving you like this. How will you learn? Look into your classwork note. Look into your classwork note. Yeah. Take that book in your hand, notebook. Read the first question from your notebook. Yeah. Pet animals.
Pet animals. Cat, dog.
Second one.
Domestic animals.
See, I don't want any helpers over there. The child will not learn. I will teach her. This is why these children are not reading. Okay, Tangaratnam. Domestic animals. Come on.
Domestic animals. Cow.
She is looking. See, I don't want. Tangaratnam, stop. Because somebody else is telling, stop it. Now, Israelina, you read. I am teaching and they are going on disturbing. Israelina, please read. Yeah.
Elephant.
Yeah.
Pet animal. Dog and cat. Domestic animals. Cow and goat. Wild animals. Lion and tiger.
Good. Next one. Last one. Turn off your mic.
Ghee and curd.
Very good. Now, children, one small request. Sanjeevan, turn off your mic. Sanjeevan and Tangaratnam, turn off your mic. Listen, when I ask you a question, you have to read, not your parents or anybody, okay? Then only you will learn, children. Ma'am will help you to read. Okay.
Ma'am. 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 Ma'am, leave the class. Ma'am did not leave. I will see. Ma'am is not there. Let me check. Ma'am, illappa. Ma'am left the meeting. Yes. All leave the class. Class is over. Ma'am left the class. Yeah, ma'am left the class. Let's leave now. Let's leave now.